going to continue the session on C programming. In this session, we are going to cover Struct. So now let us open up the terminal app. Let us create a new file named as Struct. Okay. Now what is Struct? Instead of declaring separate variables, you can combine those variables inside a struct to define an object. Then you can create variable and arrays of that struct. Later on, we'll use that struct for linked lists and to make a database. First, we'll see how to define a struct. So now where do we define the struct? We define the struct below the hash include and above the int main. So now I'll give the struct's name. I'll give it as book. Then I'm going to take char, title as 30 and author as 20 and float for price. Okay. Now I'll declare a variable of the struct type. If the struct book, we'll give book in capital, and I'll declare some variables of it, like I'll give book 1, then book 2 and book 3. Now I'll take the user's input. I'll give a comment users input. Do printf. Okay, first I'll take title, enter the book's title, give scanf %s book 1. Now we have to type in one more statement to flush the input buffer. Flush now I'll give it for author and price. I'll give author, and over here I'll give price. I'll change the variable name, author and price. Okay. I'll just give the comments of book 2 and book 3. I'll also give a \n in the printf. Okay. Now I'll copy the lines paste it. I'll change the variable name I'll also give the comment print. Now I'll print the values. Print F book 1 title. I'll give %s. And then I will give author %s, and then I'll give the price as %f. And I'll give book 1 title and book 2 dot book 1 dot author, book 1 dot price. I'll copy this, paste it 2 more times. I'll replace this as 2 plus 3. Now let us test this code. Compile it. Oh, I gave the wrong format specifier for price. I gave %s. I'll compile it again. Oh, I also forgot the ampersand. Test it again. Okay, so there are no compilation errors or warnings. Enter the book's title. I'll give the diary of a young girl and Frank. Price I'll give 107. I don't know the exact price. Getting granny's glasses, Ruskin bond. I'll give it 200, and then I'll give the Jungle Book, Rudyard Kipling, and price as 1000. I did not give the \n. Okay, now let us test it again. The Jungle Book price is 1000. Price is 200. Author franc, price as 107. Okay. Now you see that it's only printing one word instead of 2 or 3 words of the title. And you can see that it's printing lots of zeros. Okay. So let us head back to the code. And we have %2f, so that will only print 2 decimal digits after the point. Now you have also seen that it's only printing one word, right? Now why? Because when it's detecting the first space, it is breaking that word there. Now if I give this format specifier, then it will accept the space. Okay. I'll give point. Okay. Oh. Not in there. Over here. And over here. Now let us test this code. So I'll compile it. There are no compilation errors or warnings, so I can continue. Okay. I'll give the book's title as The Diary of a Young Girl. I'll give the author as Anne Frank, price as 107. Then I'll give Getting Granny's Glasses. This is Ruskin Bond. I'll do it again. I typed in the wrong spelling, so I'll do it out. If first I'll get glasses. Okay, I'll give Ruskin Bond. The price as 200. Give the title as The Jungle Book, Rudyard Kipling. Okay, 1000. Title as The Diary of a Young Girl, and Frank, and this one as 107. Okay, now it's printing all the words, all the 3 words or 2 words. Okay. Now it's still not giving 2 zeros. Why? Let us go back to our code. Oh, I forgot a point. I'll compile it again. You see, there are no compilation errors or warnings, so I can continue. Getting Granny's glasses, rust and bond. The price is 200. The Jungle Book, Rudyard Kipling, and then I'll give this one as 1000. This one is The Diary of a Young Girl. This one is and Frank and 107. Okay, now it's printing only 2 zeros after the point. Then it's working. It's working fine. Till now, we have only used 3 variables of that struct. Okay. Now what if I have maybe 100 books? I will not declare 100 variables and 100, then I'll not type in 100 printfs and scanfs. So to fix this issue, we have to declare an array. So I can do that with book and give it size. I'll type in a hash define max val as 3. Give some space there. I'll delete these. Over here I will give the size max val. Now over here also, where I'm declaring over here near this over here printf and scanf, I don't want to type in hundreds of scanf and printf. So over here, to fix this issue, I have to use a for loop. So I'll give for I int I equal to 0 less than max val. Okay. Now inside this, I'll comment these from book 2 till book 3. In the for loop, I'll only give once the printf and scanf for each variable. So I have okay. Now I have to also change the variable name. So over here I have to use I. Okay. Even for printing, I'll use a for loop. I'll copy that for the for loop line comment these lines. Excuse me. Over here I'll give I over here too. I. Okay, I'll also give %d over here. I have to give I plus 1 or else it'll print from 0. No. I'll give a hyphen here and reduce space. That. Okay, now let us test this code. I'll compile it. There are no compilation errors or warnings, so I can continue. Getting Granny's glasses. Then I'll give Ruskin bond. Price as 200. The Jungle Book. Author Rudyard Kipling. Price as 1000. The Diary of a Young Girl and Frank. Price as 107. Okay, now it's working. As you see, it's printing all the lines. Now I'll delete those lines, the commented lines. These two. Okay. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video interesting.